Powerful adjectives for everyday use. Something fit to touches.
Tangible.
Tangible. Something easy to believe is.
Credible.
Credible. Something that can be heard is.
Audible.
Audible. Something that can be fixed is.
Repairable.
Repairable. Something that can be trusted is.
Reliable.
Reliable. Something fit for cultivation is.
Arable.
Arable. Something capable of being dissolved is.
Soluble.
Soluble. Something that can be moved is.
Portable.
Portable. Something able to read is.
Legible.
Legible. Something that can break easily is.
Brittle.
Brittle. Something that is safe to drink is.
Potable.
Potable. Something fit for consumption is.
Consumable.
Consumable. Something fit to wear is.
Wearable.
Wearable. Something safe to eat is.
Edible.
Edible. Something that can be seen is.
Visible.
Visible. Something worthy of love is.
Please comment your answer.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.